Hi, I'm Seth, creator of Black SEO Analyzer. I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough of some of the basic features of Black SEO Analyzer. It has a lot of advanced, crazy deep features, but I feel like out of the box it's pretty powerful, so I just want to walk you through that today. As you can see, I'm recording today on my PC. I like to jump back and forth between my PC and my Mac, so you'll see demos on both my Windows computer and on my Mac. First, to get into Black SEO Analyzer, it's pretty easy. Once you have it installed, just go to your start menu, type in Black SEO Analyzer, click on it. When you run it with no command line parameters, it just jumps straight into interactive mode. Interactive mode is the mode that I use 99% of the time because it does all the basic crawl that you need. The first thing you want to put in is the website that you want it to crawl. We're going to do Seth server today. It by default saves to your home directory. I have a Seth server directory on my E drive, so we're going to save it to there today. And we're just going to kick it off. This should take, less than 2 minutes, so I think it's fine that you just sit here and stare at me while it's running. And just like that, we're done. That didn't even take 2 minutes. All right, as soon as it's done, press enter. That window will close. Now let's go to my magical E drive where I saved everything. E, Seth server, crawl. This is formatted like most websites, so if you upload this to some website directory like an S3 bucket or something, this will actually work like a real website. So you click in on the index, and here's your SEO analysis. It gives you the generation date and time, how many pages it analyzed, did 76 in under 2 minutes, found 8,060 total issues. Don't hyperfocus on the total issues unless you're trying to be perfect. Google's not going to reward you for perfection. It's going to reward you for pages that are easy to use. This index page just shows you the top pages with the most issues, top 500 keywords across the whole website. Obviously, my blog is about Python startups and my password generators. We can scroll through all my keywords. And then there's a list of all the pages by page depth. So my website, then all posts, my XML feed, or my Atom feed, then the AI articles, blah, 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 as it goes and goes and goes. Let's look at the homepage. The homepage is pretty interesting. So if you come up here, click on the homepage, it's going to tell you the title of the page, what the path is, give you what Google should see. Google likes to change things up. It likes to change page titles and descriptions, but this is what Google should see. And here are your social media previews. Very important for social sharing. If these aren't working, you need to make sure you get this stuff fixed. Underneath that, there's a quick summary of everything you have, a quick web vitals summary, and then the meat of the page. What keywords do we see on the page, and how highly are they scored? So as you saw below, or as you saw before, one is like the dentist keyword on the page. You probably don't want any keywords near 1, and 0 are just the keywords that Google's probably going to ignore. So technology, favorite business, stuff like that, tech business, then computer programmer. And this is just the general language that I'm using on my website. Beneath that are all of the warnings. And one of the newest features that we have, this Learn More button. Let's see. So if you click on Learn More, this says found one use of important, which may indicate specificity issues. Learn More. It'll take you to the Black SEO Analyzer website, and there's a little description of what the warning is and how you can fix it. Some warnings are a little bit easier to fix than others, but generally I try to give some pretty good advice on what you can do. I fight with these every day on all of my websites. So I feel like this is much more helpful than just getting a random, found a problem, good luck fixing it. Inside of this is all of the warnings and issues that it found on this page. There will be a lot of explicit dimensions, missing size. Some of these you'll fix one of the issues, and it should fix multiple, just depending on what the type of error is. And then when we get all the way down, we'll see internal links and external links, style sheets, scripts, and images that are on the page. This is good for just quick audits if you're trying to see what images are being loaded, what external scripts you have running, especially if you're seeing errors on your website about multiple jQueries installed. it'll let you know that pretty quickly. You can just jump on down to the scripts and see what you have. So look at that. In a few minutes, you can go from, in less than a minute, you can go from nothing to having a full like analysis of every single page. It can get a little bit overwhelming. That's why with SEO, you really need to know what you're trying to do. Are you trying to do a keyword analysis? Are you trying to fix a bug? Are you trying to get a page to start ranking higher? Once you know what you're trying to do, this will get you there 1,000 times faster than any other tool out there. So thanks. Appreciate you and have a great day. Bye.